Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandan Sudeep, and today I'm going to deal with an important topic, that is free courses to start a career in sustainability. Friends, I do come across people asking me, a lot of people asking me this particular question. They want to switch their career in sustainability or build their profile in sustainability as a young fresher, as a beginner. So what kind of courses they should opt for? Uh, my point or my take is you should not run after the costlier courses. Rather, you should opt for free courses as a beginner. And believe me, friends, there are ample number of free courses available in the market, which you can easily enroll and go through, even earn the certificates free of cost, right? So today, this video is very important for the young professionals, young students, uh, or the freshers who wants to skill up, who wants to build their profile, who wants to transit into sustainability profile, friends. So stay with me. This is a very important video that I am going to deal with the free courses which you can opt for, which you can vouch for to kickstart your career or build your career in sustainability domain, friends. Okay, so starting with the first one, which I think will be helpful for all of you friends as a beginner and also available free of cost is the UN SDG Academy. So I'll provide a link in the description. You can Google it. You can follow the link. These are very generic, or you can say basic fundamental kind of courses which will help you to clear your understanding concepts, fundamental concepts. So I feel as a beginner, you should start with this particular uh, courses, these courses mainly, where you'll understand the concepts, important concepts on sustainability. Because if you want to build your profile in sustainability without understanding the basic concepts, you literally struggle afterwards. So as a beginner, as a fresher, you should opt for these kind of basic courses, uh, which will help you to understand what is SDG, what are different goals of SDGs, and different concepts which is involved in ESG and sustainability for your understanding, friends. Go through these courses. I'll provide the link in the description and try to understand the basic concepts on sustainability, friends, to start with your career in sustainability. So the second free of cost courses is from Coursera, which is something a bit detailed courses, I'll call it, and these are all available free of cost. So you can, go through these courses, which will give you again the concepts and the intro on sustainability, different topics or KPIs on sustainability, like for example, circular economy. You have different kind of courses available in Coursera on corporate sustainability. If you want to deal with understand what is corporate sustainability, then also you can have different kind of courses available in Coursera, and different other KPIs on energy, on water, on waste. So you find different kind of small and mid-size or long-term courses available in Coursera. Generally, this will be all free of cost, which you can go through, enroll, and go through these courses. Maybe when you try to download the certificate, they may ask you a bit of amount, which will be chargeable, but not too heavy charge. Maybe 1,000, 2,000 bucks will be enough to get the certificates, which you can easily afford compared to those courses which are available at higher cost, like for example, 10K, 20K, even in lakhs, they charge you. So comparatively, better to have these courses, go through them, understand the concepts to start with, to begin your journey in sustainability. And if required, you can download the certificates at a very reasonable price, friends. Okay, so this is another kind of courses which you can opt for on sustainability, which are available all online. Yeah, the third one is the courses available on Udemy. So this is again another platform which you can easily, go ahead to have courses on sustainability and ESG. I will again provide the link in the description, which you can go through and follow the link to download the courses, or maybe go through the courses and earn certificates on ESG and sustainability, friends. One important point which I want to highlight here, the last course which I showed you on Coursera, and this one is on Udemy. These are two different platforms having similar kind of courses. Like even there, you'll find the courses on the ESG, social governance, environmental, or different KPIs or environment like water, waste, energy. Same in Udemy also you'll find different kind of courses on sustainability and ESG. So, but there is a basic difference. The kind of courses you find on Coursera will be a bit lengthier ones. Here you'll find a shorter courses, maybe even in hours, and few courses we can be completed in a day time, right? Compared to the courses on Coursera, which will be a bit detailed one, right? So what I suggest to you, please first start your journey, or if you want to literally go through the courses, you can use the Udemy platform rather than the Coursera. You understand the basic concepts first in this particular platform where different kind of courses are available on free of cost. Slowly, once you get more understanding to deep dive, you can go through the courses again available on Coursera. So because I do not want to get overburdened or overwhelmed with too much of knowledge, and then it will be literally very tough for you, and you lose your interest, friends, which I do not want. So you start with the courses available on Udemy, slowly deep dive, and once you feel comfortable, yeah, now I have more understanding, basic understanding on sustainability. Let's go deeper and have more concepts cleared. So then you can opt for courses on Coursera. Even Udemy will have too many, courses, which will be like 4 months, 5 months courses also available on Udemy. But to start with, there are very short, maybe in hours, 5 hours, 6 hours courses, which are mainly available on Udemy, which you can opt for. So both the platforms are good, but the strategy we should adopt is important, friends. Okay. So again, another platform is UNCC Learning Systematic Courses platform, where also you can find different kind of courses available on sustainability and ESG, and again free of cost. Again, I'll provide the link in the description. You can follow the link, friends. And basically, this is best for the courses on climate change, right? And green initiatives. So if you want to learn on green economy, right, climate finance, so these courses will be available on this particular platform. So you can go through this platform and understand and have basic concepts cleared on ESG and sustainability, friends. So this is again another platform where you can find different courses on sustainability free of cost. Even the certificates, may be number of certificates available on this platform, which should be all free of cost available for you, which you can download, keep it handy, and also use for building your profile, and also adding it on your CVs and resume, friends. Now, another free of cost course available is from the Government of India, portal, which is Swayam. So Swayam is an Indian government portal for a free online courses. So you'll have different kind of courses available on this particular platform, which all will be mainly free of cost. Uh, But one important point you should understand, friend, this Swayam portal offers number of courses. They're literally important courses, but it is mainly detailed courses, friends. So as a beginner, as a fresher, I won't suggest you to start your, journey from this particular portal, but rather you can start your journey from the portals which I discussed in the earlier slides. You can start having courses, enrolling on the courses from Udemy or as a UN uh, kind of portals, which will have shorter courses available comparatively. Once you start, having your interest, building your interest on ESG and sustainability, you can opt for the courses available on Swayam, which will be like 5 months, 6 months, or 1 year long-term courses. I do not want again you to get too much of burdened with the too many concepts, and then you start losing your interest. So start your building your you start building your understanding, uh, clearing your concepts one by one slowly, and then you can offer these kind of long-term courses, detailed courses, which are available again free of cost. So this is another important portal where you can get different kind of courses on ESG and sustainability. These all portals which I discussed with few friends, basically you'll find all the free courses available, and these are literally very important uh, courses which are available in the market, friends. And as a experienced systematic professional, I would not suggest you to go for the detailed ones or going after the costlier courses which is offered by different companies or training companies, right? Rather, you should opt for the free courses to start with. This is basis my own experience I am sharing with you, friends. Uh, you should not run after the costlier courses which they will ask you for. It doesn't mean basically in sustainability, it's more about the concepts you have, how clear you have the concepts on ESG and sustainability, how skilled you are on ESG and sustainability. That's what I'm trying to focus in my other videos. Also, I have tried to explain you. Focus on the building of skill set rather than the certificates, earning certificates, which are available at costlier price, friends. Right? I hope I am trying to clear your understanding to start your journey as a fresher, as a beginner, as a young professional, as an engineering student, if you want to build your profile on sustainability. These will be literally helpful videos for you, friends. So I hope, friends, I was able to clear your thoughts, understanding on what kind of courses you should opt for or the platform you should look for initially as a beginner if you want to literally build your profile or journey in sustainability domain, friends. So do let me know, comment and help me understand what kind of courses you are looking for in ESG and sustainability, or if you have already started, so what kind of courses have or you have already enrolled or you have completed on ESG and sustainability topics, friends. So please comment and let me understand the audience that I have, and this will help me to again prepare your videos or content accordingly for you, friends, which will help you in the long run. And thanks for watching the video, friends. I hope the content was useful and this will help you, clear your thoughts and understanding on what kind of courses you should opt for building your profile in the sustainability domain. And it's also add value to your CVs and resumes, right? So I hope the content was useful to you. So if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel. This will motivate me to making more videos, bringing for you more videos, more content on ESG and sustainability. So please subscribe my channel. Also, please share this video, like and share the video with your colleagues, friends, or in the groups uh, where you are already in WhatsApp or any other group. So please do share this particular video in different groups you are part of, and please follow me for more updates. You can follow me on LinkedIn also. I'll share the link in the description. Also, you can email me with your queries if you have any, to have more understanding to clear your queries or concepts or understanding on ESG and sustainability. You can mail me. I will leave the email ID on in the description below, friends. So do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and keep learning, friends.